How to upgrade premium on Spotify. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to upgrade your premium on Spotify. So for that you need to update your application. First thing, open up your Play Store. On the search box type in Spotify, and when you open up your Spotify, make sure that the application is completely up to date, and if not, then tap the update button, and then after done updating, click the open button and log in into your Spotify account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to take you to the interface something like this, and right on this page go to your premium section from the bottom right hand side corner and click on get premium. When you click on get premium, it's going to take you to the other field where you will be asked to select the plan, and accordingly you need to select your payment source as well and enter in the credential. As you're done with that, then you will be receiving a confirmation through an email stating that you've successfully activated or enabled a premium account on Spotify. So that's how you can upgrade premium on Spotify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.